Okay, here's a bit of a follow-up on the Cosmotime alarm clock. I got the white faceplate off, which was sort of the, I don't know, sort of like the reflector for the little LED chips. And it was a little destructive. Not all of them are flashing anymore. But what I found out, these are not surface mount packages. You can't really tell from this, and I don't think I can get close enough to actually see it. Maybe if I unplug it and turn the light on. But in any event, these are not regular surface mount packages. These are essentially, let's unplug it, if I can do it one-handed here. These are essentially little bare LED chips mounted on one pad on the board, and then there's a little tiny bond wire going to the other pad. So they're actually something like an element out of a, I don't know, 3 or 5 millimeter LED, I suppose. And then instead of being connected between anode and cathode in the cup in an LED, in a 5 millimeter LED, the raw, I guess, LED element or whatever is actually somehow soldered onto one of the pads. And then they've got that same little microscopic jumper wire going over to the other pad. So these are all sort of, they seem to be constructed onto the board. So really very strange. I've never seen anything like that before. Anyhow, I thought it was really interesting enough to follow up on when I finally dug into this and got down into the real guts of it with that shroud, that whatever you want to call it, that white reflector removed. But that's the raw board with all these little tiny LED elements bonded, not even in like a 402 or a 201 package. So very strange. So I guess it does predate small surface mount packages, but I guess before they had packages, you could just make the LED on the board somehow without any kind of package, just the chip and a bond wire spanning the two electrodes. Anyhow, all right, thanks. Bye.